G'day guys, so my voice has finally returned, so I'm going to do a little video just on a wrap up of Summernats. You know, like I was a little bit disappointed with the outcome of the Burnout Masters at the end. Not placing at all. Like I thought I did a killer burnout, textbook skid, you know, like there was no deductions in anything. The judges mustn't like the style of driving I do with the on and off the pedal. It's something that I do to help get the car to drive around the pad really quick. I know the crowd loves it like that. That's why I do it like that. The Summernats judges clearly don't like that style of burnout. So, you know, there's two sort of ways you can go about doing burnouts. You can use the brake pedal. You can hold the foot flat to the floor. Pretty much use the brake to control the car around the pad. The way I do it is I use the throttle, the wheel speed, and the brake. That's how I get my car around the pad so quick. That's the style of driving I like, crowd likes. The burnout judges don't like it. So I've tried to contact Summernats, no replies, anything about the judging. Yeah, so it was a bit disheartening when it happened, but it is what it is, so I'm just going to get over it, and I'm never going to go back to Summernats after that. So overall, like the biggest thing is with burnout competitions is they are a competition. Like when it gets to that high up level, you know, everyone is there to win. That's so everyone sends their car, and because they want to pretty much be, you know, the burnout master. That's like, it's a big deal. So a bit of that, and the prize money is a big thing. Like when it comes to big prize money, that literally makes people drive the wheels off their cars. So, and that's exactly what I did that day. I drove the wheels off this car. You know, to do burnouts for fun, there's no way I'd drive this car that hard on that pad, because there's no way I'd risk doing damage and destroying a $35,000 engine for fun. I'd get an LS and I'd put it in a cheaper car, and then that's what I'd go out in if I was going to have fun in burnouts. Something like this, way too much money. And that's the wall hit I did on Friday in a practice skid, so I sent it a little bit too hard in a practice skid, but yeah, that one was actually a bit for fun, but I just took it a little too far. So overall, the car made 800 horsepower on the dyno at Summernats. So I took out the NA dyno competition they had at Summernats, and engine ran flawlessly all over the weekend. It was a fresh engine, Brad Mcfry built it, and yeah, it's been mint, so very happy overall with how the car performed over the whole weekend. My brand new alternator did shit the bed again, which sucks. It was an excess volt alternator. I don't know what it is with this car and alternators, but I need to look into something because it's crazy. Like I drive the alternators 2-to-1, so the ratio, alternator spins at 16,000 RPM, and they just, I don't know, they just don't like it. Everything else for the car was great overall. So I'm going to put a burnout video up from the outside view of the car from the Burnout Masters finals, and some GoPro footage for you guys to have a watch, and also the dyno video I'll put at the end. And the next event I'm going to do is a drift event at Sydney Dragway. So it's pretty much, not Dragway, sorry, Sydney Motorsport Park. I'm going to do a drift event there. It's pretty much the whole track, same Power Cruise track. So, and you just get sent out in a car or another car, and then you can literally just go out and drift the whole track, and it's going to be fun. So I'm really looking forward to that. And then I'm going to be doing Power Cruise Sydney after that. So, and from there, I don't know, I'll just play it by ear and keep doing what I'm doing. So, and the Ute engine, it'll be coming back in a few weeks. So once the engine's back for that, I can do a bit of an update on that. So peace out guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and stay safe.